Sai Ram, offering my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. A very loving Sai Ram to all my dear brothers and sisters. Swami has said that when the heart is pure, the Lord resides therein and guides man to himself. On that beautiful note, I welcome all of you to the 50th episode of the Sri Satya Sai Ashtotaram. Om Shri Sai Sarva Hridayavasine Namaha. Salutations to Shri Sai, who resides in the hearts of all. Swami says, I dwell in the hearts of all, but some don't realize it. He also cites the reason for this. He says, God's image is in your heart. If you are unable to see it, understand that your heart is covered with the dust of desires and indiscipline. Wipe it through knowledge, service, and devotion, and you will be able to realize your own divinity. This is an incident from the life of Dr. R.S. Padmanabhan. In 1973, Swami had asked him to travel to the USA for his son's admission. When the doctor arrived at Puttaparthi to seek his blessings, Baba materialized a topaz ring for him. At that time, Colonel Joga Rao, who was also present there, asked Swami, Swami, can one see your image in this ring? Baba answered, My image may or may not be there, but I will be in his heart and will look after him. Saying so, Swami blew on the ring thrice and his image appeared on it. With Bhagwan's blessings, Dr. Padmanabhan left. At first, he disembarked at Bonn and visited a dental hospital there. He then had to travel to Dusseldorf to take the onward flight. When he arrived at Bonn airport, he was told that his flight to Dusseldorf was cancelled. He didn't know what to do because he was to reach Amsterdam from Dusseldorf airport, where two of his friends who were also Sai devotees were waiting for him. Just then, the airport officer came up to him and said, Dusseldorf is about 110 kilometers away. If you take a taxi, you may be able to reach there in time to catch the onward flight. Saying so, the officer hailed a cab and Dr. Padmanabhan travelled in it to Dusseldorf. As he reached the airport and got off the cab, a porter dressed in a white uniform came up to him and lifted his luggage. He carried it all the way through. After taking his seat in the aeroplane, the doctor started to look for the porter in order to pay him, but he was already gone. The onward journey was smooth, and after completing the task of his son's admission, he returned to India. On his return, he went to Vrindavan to seek Swami's darshan. Bhagwan inquired after his trip. The doctor replied it was fine. Swami commented, except for that incident at Dusseldorf. I had to carry your baggage from the taxi to the aeroplane and you did not even thank me. It was then that Dr. Padmanabhan remembered Swami's words. I will be in his heart and will look after him. Sai Kanhaiya, Sai Kanhaiya, Paar karo mere जीवन नैया तुम हो मेरे माँ बाप भैया हृदय निवासी कृष्ण कन्हैया हृदय निवासी साई कन्हैया पार करो मेरे जीवन नैया साई कन्हैया